And we'll end the first khutbah by speaking about how this story ended, in which Musa alayhi salam and the ashab of Musa, the people of Musa, are fleeing from Fir'aun. And the people of Musa alayhi salam, they actually start to doubt and lose hope in this faith. And they say to Musa alayhi salam, أُذِينَا مِن قَبْلِ أَن تَأْتِيَنَا, we have been oppressed before you came to us. وَمِن بَعْدِ مَا جِئْتَنَا, and after you came to us, we are being oppressed. Mufassirin said they're saying that before this message of Islam was brought to us by you, we were oppressed. Since it came after, we became oppressed again. They're wondering, what's going on? This is supposed to be Allah's religion, Allah's deen. Why are we continuing to be oppressed? Musa alayhi salam does three things to empower them, to give them resilience. Number one, he says to them, إِنَّ الْأَرْضَ لِلَّهِ يُورِثُهَا مَن يَشَاءُ, that this earth belongs to Allah. He causes whomever He wills to inherit it. Reminding them that number one, Allah is in control of this show at the end of the day. Regardless of what you see, Allah is in control of this show. Number two, the second thing He does to empower them is He tells them, وَالْعَاقِبَةُ لِلْمُتَّقِينَ, that the good end is for the people of taqwa. In other words, reorienting them to think about the akhirah. All of this will come to an end. They will die, we will die. And the good end is for al-muttaqeen. And the third empowerment of resilience He gives them, He says to them, عَسَى رَبُّكُمْ أَن يُهْلِكَ عَدُوَّكُمْ وَيَسْتَخْلِفَكُمْ فِي الْأَرْضِ. Maybe your Lord would destroy your enemy and give you the inheritance, the firm foothold on the earth. What He does here, my brothers and sisters, is He reorients them from thinking about the negative past and history to think about what's possible for the future. To think about what's possible for the future. And that possibility becomes limitless when you are with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He's the creator. And this is what gave Musa the strength when the ocean's in front of them, the armies behind them. Where are we going to go? When we're with Allah, anything is possible. قَالَ كَلَّا إِنَّ مَعْيَ رَبِّي سَيَهْدِينَ. And Allah made what happen? Allahu Akbar. أقول قولي هذا وأستغفر لكم فاستغفروه إنه الغفور الرحيم.